And welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is February the 6th, 2018, and on January the 15th, we sowed our Craspedia seeds, and they started coming up for us on the 17th. Sorry about that. And we also did some seed starting mix. They started coming up for us on the 16th of January. And I want to show you here how they're progressing. And we've been feeding these once a week. And you can see the roots here. These are actually ready to be transplanted here. And yep, they definitely need a new home. So I'm going to be transplanting them. And I just wanted to show you an update on them and on how they're doing. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I will try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.